Hey guys, we are in the house, the new house, and we are trying to clean it. Sliding lang pala siya. So it's a medicine cabinet. It's nice. This is glossy. Dito na yung bago na bench top. Kasi dati plastic siya. Yan, granite na yan. Okay, so ito na guys yung mga dala ko. Ito yung bahay. Kailan kami mag-move? This is the toilet for the boys. Iba yung tile dito. It's more dark.
I've arrived safely at hindi rin nabali yung mga cacti. Oh, so good. Ayan na, nandito na ako sa bahay, guys. These guys. Natapos din.
Hey guys, we are in the house, the new house, and we are trying to clean it. Jace is there. He tried to clean his room already. I like this color, the picture wall, but it's just that it's matte. These are tile, marble tile look floor. Finish his room already.
Where's the water? Is there running water?
No. Another boy.
How does this work? Mark, where's the water?
No water. It's off. Finish his one too. Look at the dust, guys. Ito din. Sobra dito.
Mom, what I clean here? There's a spider you want to get in the video.
Where?
Oh yeah, look in the
Show me.
pantry. In the pantry, it's pretty cool.
We're going to the pantry.
Pretty cool little spider.
This one?
Look at that. Look how cute it is. Where's the spray? Oh, look. It's up top.
That's a house spider. Why are you scared?
No, I'm just saying. Look how cute it is.
It is.
I would kill it, Resin.
This is the laundry.
I guess I'm sucking up if I get a chance to open you. Tomorrow we're gonna start building.
Did you get that? Did you get that, Jess? Did you get that? Mom.
I didn't even do this as well. Look at Chase. He's cleaning his room.
Not really. I'm doing the opposite of cleaning.
I do not do like that. You are playing. I'm trying to clean my room. Look at the view. I'm sorry. That's not here. This is my toilet. Hi guys, we are on our way to the new house kasi magdala ako ng mga pamahiin, yung things that will go first inside the new house. So dala ko yung rice, oil, the Bible, and coins. Okay, nandito na kami sa bahay. Ayan na. Okay, so ito na guys yung mga dala ko. Ito yung bahay. Kailan kami mag-move? Mga 2 weeks pa. Pero we're getting it ready na. Dito yung mga things ko nadala. Kasi Tomorrow, magdala na si Habi ng iba pang mga gamit. So, see, ito yung Bible. Yung rice. Yung coins nandito. At then, yung oil. Yan. Ito yung dala ko. I'll show you quickly. Oh, wow. My grass na. We put this today. Oh, yeah. Ito yung hindi na makita. Tomorrow na lang. So, I'm outside. So, this is the new grass. Ito naman yung veranda. Madumi pa. Bagong tiles din to. Pero madumi pa. May mga cleaners dito pupunta on Sunday daw. Pretty light. They fixed it, darling. Yay! Oh, nice na siya. So we're going out. We're going upstairs. May nagpaint pa kasi dito eh. Let's go to my toilet. Oh. This is my room. Because I want to see what's the finished product. Yay. Oh. Nice na yung wall ko. So cute. Ah, nice. Thank you, Lord. Pinagdagan namin to kasi isa lang dati, di pwede. Oh, sliding lang pala siya. So it's a medicine cabinet. It's nice. This is glossy. Dito na yung bago na bench top. Kasi dati plastic siya. Yan, granite na yan. Ito na lang. On Tuesday, ay maglagay ng door dito. Okay. This is the toilet for the boys. Iba yung tile dito. It's more dark than my one pero glossy pa rin. And let's check the toilet. Oh, yay. I can put a cabinet there. Let's see. There's the mirror. Yung vanity is there. Move na kami. So we are moving. Starting. Yan na si Habi. Galit siya sa aking mga plants. Ito yung aking mga plants. Galit din isa yung itong batang ito.
I destroyed one of your plants.
Oh. So we're moving these.
Ready, want to see something cool?
Don't do that. So ito yung mga plants ko sa ilalim ng bahay. And we are moving these too. So these are the cacti. And I have some inside the house too. They're taking this now. That's so pretty. I'm keeping it for me to take because I don't want them damaging it. See, Monstera and Alocasia. Ito na guys, yung mga plants. They're moving to the new house. They're off. See you later, plants.
Guys, nasa bahay na ako sa loob. And I'm looking at my plants. Kawawa sila. Nandito sila sa labas. Sa veranda, I'll show you. Ito sila. We took them here on Wednesday night. At that night din, nagkasakit ako. Si Habi sumunod. Tapos si Jace ulit kasi siya naman yung nagdala ng virus sa amin. And then my oldest. After that, today, yung second son ko na naman. Okay, let's go outside. It's open now. How are you, planties? Saan na yung mga cacti ko? Ayan. Dalhin ko yan doon sa gilid. I'm gonna put them in the side. And yung mga ganito din. So, I'm gonna clean this stand. And yan yung, that's the one I'm gonna put in the side. And maybe this, let's see. I've managed to move the 2 shelves. So, the cacti will go in this one. And the other plants will be here. The shorter ones. Pero yung mga malalaki, I just put them here. Although, they will come back. The concrete thing, guys, will come back to polish this. So, ililipat na naman namin ulit. But that won't be happening until 2 weeks from now. So, we have time. For now, gusto ko lang talagang i-move out yan dyan from there. That, guys, what I've done so far. Go. Okay ba? Although my nephew put the big ones here because I couldn't lift it. Ito, hindi ko yan kaya, no, yung mga ganitong pot. Saka ito sila pa. So here are my cacti. Ito din. This one as well. Gonna put them here. Alright. Ang dami pa siya. Diyan pa. Yeah. Yeah.
Where's it going?
So, look at these guys. Natapos din. I'm watering them soon. Kasi nag-uhaw ito eh. Look guys, I'm watering the lawn or the grass because this is new grass and
we're advised to water this every day. Pero hindi lately kasi nga nagkasakit kami ni Hadi pareho. The last time was Wednesday night. Yun yung onset ng aming flu. Ewan ko kung bakit, kung dahil dito or because virus talaga siya. Kasi si Jace yung unang nagkasakit. Ngayon, so from Saturday night, ngayon lang ulit to nakainom ng water. Yan yung guava namin. Magsa-sunset na pala. So this is the lemonade. Lemonade is a cross between lemon and orange. That's why it's a bit sweet. This is the guava. Wala pa, hindi pa siya namunga. Meron na pala maliit, but it's not yet ready. Later on, I'm gonna put some plants over there towards the end. Ilipat ko yung nandito na nasa gilid. I have to ask, I will tell Habi to put sprinklers here. I think yan talaga yung gagawin niya kasi ang time consuming kaya to, no? Yung wardrobe ko pala guys, yung door na in-install, hindi siya nagkasya nang pinasok from the door of my room. Kaya dito na pinasok dun sa taas, pinakataas yung window na yun. So through the window, they put the glass door of my wardrobe. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Till next time. I still have to water these trays too. They are trays. Oh my gosh. I have to put the rubber trays and the fig. Fiddle-leaf fig. And then this one I'm gonna put water. That's it. Thank you for watching.